Good morning, you guys. Today is Sunday and it's winter jam. I'm gonna head over there, meet up with the Montiel. Drive is like an hour and a half away. So let's head over there and go see some drifting. I don't know how much coverage I get because I know it's gonna rain later. 'Cause the weather. But so far it's nice. So I'll see you guys at winter jam. Oh my god. So we just got it. I just got it at Sonoma. It's kind of raining. I don't know how much footage I'll get, but we'll see. And I'm waiting for Amancio to come, and he said he'll probably be here like around 45 minutes, and I'll show you his car too. So just arrived at Sonoma. Let's go look at some drifting.
That's what they're calling it these days, right?
No, I'm not talking about the driver's seat. If I brought those little assembly block outs, way better.
vehicles are leaving because it's raining, but there's a lot of spinning right now, so we'll see how the rest of the day goes. So we left Sonoma Drift, drove past Frisco. I didn't record that thing that we were gonna leave, but now we're gonna go eat ramen, and I'm probably gonna show you Amansio's car. He's right behind me right now, so and we're driving through the city, gonna eat some Ichi ramen up in San Bruno, so I'll take you there. So I'm hungry, and I'm kind of sick, so I'm gonna head over there.
It's a super thoughtful gift for the holidays, and it's especially great for photos. Instead of scrolling and scrolling to show your uncle photos of your puppy.
In 2 miles, use the right 2 lanes to take exit 1.
Yeah, we're going to the middle. What's up, guys? So it's the next day. Ichi ramen was okay. I've eaten better ramen places, but we tried it out. And I couldn't film that much because it was raining and my camera's not water resistant, and I don't want it to break because it was so expensive. So I went to Target, saw the GoPro 7, the white, because I don't shoot in 4K, so I picked up the white one. It's a Christmas gift for myself, I guess. And then I could use this when it's raining and stuff, so it'd be easier to film, and it's much mobile. And then Amancio, my friend that I've known since 8th grade, you don't see him on my film, but he asked me, because I thought I was going to be a groomsman, and he shocked me, and then he asked me to be a best man. So this is the box that they gave me. Getting married in October next year, and he asked me to be a best man, and I was shocked, and I'm blessed because I've known him for such a long time, and he's like one of my closest homies. So, and then the stuff inside,
He said he was. He would tell me
it's crazy, and I don't even drink.
So scared. That's gone.
So
That's gone.
like, thanks. The wedding's gonna be great, and I'm gonna be excited, and I'm honored to be a part of it, and I'm gonna take you guys in the journey with me. So as we keep going, hope to see you guys at the next vlog. So, and happy holiday, guys. Happy holidays. Whatever happens in life, just keep moving forward. Alright, and then you can never be down on the bottom. You can always climb up. And I'll see you guys at the next one.